Hey, it's nice to get back out on her. 7 degrees today. Let's hope the snow's gone now and finished. Start looking forward to spring. Oh, I've missed you, young lady. Good morning, folks. How are we all doing then? Just thought come out for a nice ride, Sunday morning ride out. Nice and fresh. Thought we'd have a ride over to Edale. Show you some of the gorgeous scenery there. Morning. Oh, he was slowing me down then, that gentleman was. That means there's a smoky up here. Yeah, I thought we'd have a ride over to Edale. I haven't been over for a while, and with it being so sunny today and nice clear skies, take some photos, have a look. It'll be nice. There we go, there he is, look. Yeah, so I always have my bike on charge while it's in the garage, always. And anyway, I've just gone to it to pull it out, and obviously she started up no problem, fired straight up. But I plugged my phone in. I've got the Digitech USB charge thing, and there's no power to it for some reason, so it's not lit up. And then I noticed that one of my headlights has blown. What's that all about then? I've never had any bulbs blow. Has it got something to do with the Digitech thing as well, not being powered? Everything else seems to be alright. All the indicators are on and horns working. Everything, and the main beam and everything all works like it should. But just noticed that bulb's gone. The only thing I can think of is me and Egon were putting a couple of different mounts on the other day. You know, mounting points for the camera. Here's one of them. And right, I'll pull you back up to helmet now. Come back up. There we go. Right. Yeah. So that's one. And I think we were talking. I bought some LED strip lighting for the van, and we were talking about maybe modifying the panniers and top box to get brake lights in there with the LEDs, and just, you know, tapping into your brake lights on your bike. And the only thing we did, well, it's Egon's fault. The only thing we did was unplug the connector to the brake light, so Egon was basically showing me where to do it, and then plugged it back in. But it weren't connected to the battery charger at the time. Obviously I turned that off at the wall and unplug it while we're interfering with things like that and switching ignitions on and stuff. So I don't know. Well, that's the only thing I can think of that's different. But why would that pop a headlight bulb? Yeah, so that mount I've just told you about, this one again, is hang on a minute. The mount, that mounting down there, because I bought the new iPhone 6 case, I decided to buy a RAM yoke mount, a proper RAM one, instead of an Ultimate Add-ons one, because the Ultimate Add-ons one is like a plasticky feel, whereas the RAM stuff's like rubbery, and I couldn't get a nice solid fixing with the thingy on the Ultimate Add-ons one. So I thought I'd buy a new one, swap it out, put the RAM one in, and it's shit. Just couldn't get it to tighten up enough in the yoke. So I got my money back. Told them I couldn't send it back because I had to doctor it to try and make it work, but that weren't a problem. And then so I'm now left with a RAM ball, and well, I've got a few ram balls sat at home. So I just thought, how can we, you know, make a new one somewhere? So I just dropped it under the top box rack. It looks quite good. Oh, Egon, by the way, if you're watching this, the shoulder mount thing, we bought some shoulder mounts and all Egon did. It's on. I've not obviously got the camera on it because it's on my head. But every time I turn my head up, I'm banging the shoulder mount. So it might not be any good. I haven't been to Edale for a while. I don't think I've done a video of Edale before either. I have actually done a video of Edale when I had my old Drift HD, but I didn't bother putting it up. It's quite a while ago now, a couple of years ago. I think that might have been this time of year as well. Well, these plans are coming together lovely for Norway. And he's kind... Oh, me. That's nice. This is... I'll slow down here. Sure, I keep feeling ice. Yeah, that's nice, all that, innit? You f***. All this is ice. What we got here then? Thank you very much. Filming, I don't feel like, obviously clearly I'm on my Todd, I'm on my own. I don't feel like I'm on my own because I know obviously you lot are watching, and it's nice to know that, you know, people are watching your videos, of course. But it's weird because it just feels like you know, I'm not on my own, I'm out with you lot or something. I'm a bit on autopilot today, so one of you lot will have to take over. Welcome to Edale. It's a bit windy. Loads here still, isn't they? a minute.